Hello, how's it going? It's your boy Chief Strays Bolt, your favorite Tampa Bay Lightning and NHL YouTuber on all of YouTube. Yeah, so, long story short, you've seen the title, right? I'm going to Dallas. Just beat the Stars in the final a couple months back, so it'll be interesting. But I will see you there. I'm excited. Let's go. Here we are, American Airlines Center, baby. Let's get it. Sorry about that. Alright, here we got the Dallas Stars Souvenir Cup. calling on Tampa Bay Lightning owner Jeff Vinik to add ice girls to Lightning, please.
Dallas penalty number 15, Blake Como, 2 minutes for interference. Time for penalty 7:19.
Oh, yeah!
For the weekend, has been to a lot. One-timer score!
Fucking pass. Oh! What a fucking stupid pass. What the fuck was that? Oh my god. Here we are, 8:30 left in the third period. Lightning still haven't scored since the first. Both teams are playing like they haven't played hockey in 5 years. Horrible. Be a trip. Oh, hit the net! Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh, no! That broke a stick. Come on! What the fuck was that? Painful for both sides to watch. Oh! Oh! Damn! I can decapitate somebody. No! How about you actually shoot the puck? What was that? You had so many guys open and you shoot into the Dallas guy's stick. Oh, that was nice. Sergey, oh my god, hit the net. Kidding me? How did you miss it? How did you miss it? How did you miss that? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? If there's an empty net, how hard is it to put it in? So bad. So bad. Are you serious? Oh my god. This is so horrible. 20 seconds. Catch it in. Nice. Come on. Thank you. Thank you.
In their own zone, there's a sharp angle chance for Gord.
It's so painful that it took that long. The Lord missed that wide open net. That should do it though. 5 seconds, 2-0. Now everybody's leaving. Everybody's leaving. Nobody likes you. Nobody likes you. You don't like me? Fuck that guy. Well, that's it.